What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Yeah, I'm still repping my Lakers, man. I know it's tough right now, man. But anyway, today I'm here to do a how to style on the UCLA Nike Dunk Lows. And I really like these sneakers. I think the last Nike Dunk Low I had this much love for was either the Wolf Grape joints I did a review of 2 weeks ago, or the Veneer joints, right? Veneer, the green and purple joints, yeah. But these, man, make blue and yellow look beautiful, man. So, let's get it. Yes, sir. So, it's easy to just go get some UCLA gear. Nike has tons of them. Plus, Nike has that member day week where like stuff is like 20% off, crazy steal. I looked it up. It's a dope UCLA Bruins hoodie there. I'm about to cop it, but it would have took too long to cut in the video. So just a little pointer. Anything UCLA makes this pop, but also anything Steph Curry, Golden State makes it pop also. So this right here is the Curry Swingman jersey. The only problem is this is a classic one before all y'all jumped on Curry and before Nike took over the NBA contract. So this is the Adidas one. Don't go Adidas. Do not cross brand. Go get the Nike one, the newer one. Plus you probably could get one with an NBA Finals on it. But this is just for color and matching purposes. The Chef Curry joint is a match, guys. So anything Golden State, anything UCLA matches those dunks perfect. And speaking of Chef Curry cooking, this right here is a custom made hat by my man Brooklyn Vintage. You can look him up. He has a store in Brooklyn. He has an Instagram. I think it's BKLYN Vintage. Makes custom hats. Sells regular New Era hats and things of that nature. But this was a custom one for me. Chef Curry on the side. Chef Curry in the lettering there. The Curry in that Curry font. Super dope. The blue, the yellow, gold. It matches perfect. Just holler at him. Tell him Sneaker Notes sent you. Trust me, he'll give you a percentage off. That's my man. Chef Curry. This shirt right here. Let's get this paper out of here. That's how y'all know it's brand new. Is the Los Angeles Dodgers undefeated World Series tee. Just came out about 2 weeks ago. New Era still have sizes. Undefeated is sold out. But it's dope. It is Los Angeles Dodgers, but it is an LA team just like UCLA. It does have the same hits of that blue along with a lot of that yellow. Yo, this material is A1, kid. This is thick material. Like, you could wear this in the winter. This is my first time looking at it too, guys, like feeling it. But yeah, it's the undefeated Los Angeles Dodgers World Champion shirt. Has all the championship years on the back. But most of all, it matches those UCLA dunks. Staying Dodgers, but going vintage, is the Cooperstown Michelin Ness Dodgers championship tee also. You see a whole bunch of that yellow, the blue and the Dodgers, the vintage color cream tee. This is dope, guys, and definitely will match. You get this on sale, PacSun, right now, like $30. Retail is $60. No, retail is $36. But right now, you could get it for $30 at PacSun. I was thinking about the undefeated tee. Here we go, Travis Scott McDonald's again. But this nice white tee with the French fry Cactus Jack face is also a perfect match. There's no blue in the shirt at all, but you're still matching the white in the yellow. Just put a blue Dodgers hat on or something, or Bruins hat, but it's also a match. You could get this on StockX for the low. When I say the low, I mean the low, guys. Supreme Float Tee. Got the blue in the water. Got your UCLA yellow. Dope match. I just looked on StockX. The lowest sale, the lowest ask for a medium is $55. That is a steal. The shirt is $48. So $7 over retail. But you gotta watch StockX. Once you get to that third joint, prices just go crazy once you get to that third page. But try Go also. The Supreme Float Tee. Another newie is the Kith BMW Script Matcher Tee. You see the blue, the BMW's blue. The front looks like a marathon's going on, but with the melatones, you see like yellow, white, blue. Perfect match, man. In this shirt, it's going for retail on third parties, $75 to $90. It's a steal. For the winter, the Yeezy Perfect Gap Hoodie. I know Kanye's going through some stuff right now, but Gap just restocked the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodies for under retail. You get adult sizes for $60, guys. And kid sizes, $30. I don't know how you feel about Kanye and what's going on. It's not right, some of the things he said. Some of the things are, some of the things ain't. But the hoodie is a perfect hoodie for the winter. Thick, fits you perfect. Same blue inside the UCLA dunks. It's a go for me. So yeah, guys, that's just some quick pieces I put together to match the UCLA Bruin dunks. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help finding anything you've seen in this video. I'm here to help. That's what I'm here for. I'm not a computer. I'll write you right back as soon as I see it in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.